Hi guys, it's Vicky. Welcome back. Welcome back to what really is Charlie and Ozzy's channel, because let's face it, you guys are all really here for them. But that's okay. I can live with that. Oh my God. Ozzy, are you serious? Are you kidding me? As per Halloween tradition on this channel, we are going to be making another pet DIY Halloween costume. And the lucky winner of this costume this year is Charlie. Yay! Charlie actually is not a big fan of costumes, unlike Ozzy over here, who is very dapper and loves to play dress up. But we're gonna try it. We're gonna do it and we'll see. This DIY is gonna be a little pumpkin hat, a little jack-o'-lantern hat. I saw something similar last year at PetSmart, but it was very expensive. And so just like everything else on this channel, I'm gonna try to find an easy, cheaper way of doing it myself. All right, Charlie and Ozzy, you guys ready to make this? Are you gonna cooperate and not be gross boys and lick yourself the entire time? All right. Let's do this. It's gonna be the best. It's gonna be the best pumpkin hat, even though I already know you're gonna hate it. To make the pumpkin hat, you will need some orange fabric, green felt, black felt, polyfill, this one's from a pillow Charlie destroyed, some twine, an elastic band, a glue gun, and some scissors. So the very first step, you're actually gonna completely ignore. I first thought that I should cut the orange fabric in the shape of a circle to make it easier to wrap, but that was a bad idea because the plate I used to trace was too small, and so the fabric was not big enough. Boo! So I just used the remainder of fabric that I had left. I added the stuffing in there, wrapped it, then twisted the fabric on top, and ensured that it fit properly on top of Charlie's head. As you can see, he was very cooperative and surprisingly interested in this DIY. So how big you want it really depends on you. I liked about that size, and once I had that, I tied it down with a piece of twine. It really kind of looks like a little dumpling or something of that sort. And then you cut your twine and you cut the excess material on top. You don't want to cut too much off, and I'll tell you why in just a bit. It's very important to get an approval sniff from your dog. If not, you need to go and redo this. Just kidding, don't redo it. And then you're gonna take the green felt material, you're gonna cut a small piece, and you are going to wrap that around the top of your pumpkin, around that extra little stub that you left. And that's gonna be the stem, and you're gonna hot glue it on, rolling that piece of fabric all around and gluing in between. Next, you can cut the stem down if it's too long, and then you can maybe add 2 little leaves too for some extra decor. And it's almost done. At this point, your pup may not be interested, but that's okay. They'll be back in just a bit. Now with the black felt, I'm just cutting out 3 triangles, 2 big ones for the eyes and 1 small one for the nose, and a mouth, all which I glue onto the pumpkin. The mouth I cut in the shape of a crescent and added 2 squares sort of in there. I don't know, you saw. Just do what you want to do. Now it is time to measure that elastic band around your dog's head. Make sure it is not too tight. You don't want to restrict the blood flow and have them feel uncomfortable. So just make sure you're measuring properly. Just have it be snug enough, not too tight. So now that I've measured and I know where the ends should meet, I am gluing down the elastic in the shape of a circle and then cutting the excess, adding some more glue, and then gluing it onto the bottom of the jack-o'-lantern. And then I'm done, and that's it. You are going to have the cutest jack-o'-lantern pup in town. And very, very important, do not forget to give your puppers some trick-or-treats for being such good boys and girls. Hey, look at Ozzy. He loved it too, hee hee. But yeah, it's just something we use for fun, for pictures, for a little while. Maybe on Halloween day, we go for a quick walk and parade to see other doggies, but that's about it. I have Charlie on my lap, who has completely collapsed from all the fun in his pumpkin hat. Surprisingly, he did not hate it as much as I thought he would, so that makes me very, very proud. If you did like this video, don't forget to give me a like, subscribe for lots of other fun autumn Halloween content on here. Charlie, you want to wake up for like 2 seconds and say bye? Say bye, Ozzy.
No.
Yeah, nobody cares. It's nap time central around here, so sending you all a really, really big virtual hug, and I'll see you next time, or we'll see you next time. Bye. You guys see this? He fell asleep with his tail in his mouth. His tail in his mouth. Charlie, sit. Ah, he did it. He sat. Charlie, high five. No. Charlie, high five. Oh, the good boy. Charlie, can you touch? Oh, can you spin? Can you spin? Close enough. Oh.